very young age. We moved here a long time ago. So from a very young age, the children have a lot of memories in this space. So we didn't want to lose that.
We liked the suburb, so we didn't want to move away from here. But selling this and buying something new, that would just not have worked for us.
So I'm Jenny Matthews.
I'm Matthews George.
We've been living in this house for the last 15 years. The original house was a very olden house, almost like the 1960s house. It was a double brick home. We didn't want to lose the double brick. We wanted to keep all the touches of the olden style in the home. When we were choosing how the layout of the house is, one of the predominant things in mind was that where does the family spend most of their time? So you didn't want it to be predominantly the bedrooms, we wanted it to be the area, common family area. And so that's why this part of the house, where we are right now standing, the kitchen, the dining and the family area, all flowing into the yard and to the formal area is probably the area we love the most. We started the journey of extension renovation with Esteem last year. So we were committed to a time frame of over 6 months, but we were very delighted that Esteem, working with Sadi and the team, we were able to get that whole done within the time frame and ahead of the time frame even, which has really helped us come back into our space that we love and enjoy the renovated space.
Yeah, we are happy to recommend Esteem Constructions to anyone looking to renovate and extend their house. We've actually already referred Esteem to one of our friends in the area, and Esteem would be starting work there next week.